Some of B&W's most innovative technologies have found their way into the MM1s. The tweeters, for example, feature the famous tube-loaded design that dampens resonance and produces purer high-frequency signals. You'll find the same technology in B&W's studio-grade speakers, used by the likes of Abbey Road. Unlike most multimedia speakers, which simply amplify the audio output from your computer, the MM1 bypasses your computer audio altogether. Instead, it connects by USB and streams the music file as raw data. The tricky job of translating that data into glorious high-fidelity sound is done exactly where it should be, inside the MM1. The superior sound quality of the MM1 is matched by its elegant design. From the brushed steel finish to the reassuring weight, it's designed not so much to scream quality as seductively murmur it